goes on, and as time done gone, we still the city corruption, massive destruction. Them rape and strip the nation through deforestation. Them corrupt the people who are painful evil. Them control the minds, make we people them blind, and then them resign or retire and watch the fire as it burn up all the trees. Sweet land called Belize. Them rape and them scrape, them rip and them strip, and things will never be the same once the forest is engulfed in flames, and the poor creatures them have to run away, left with nowhere to stay, no natural environment to sustain and alleviate the gut-wrenching pain. And the hunters them hunt from the back and the front, no love for Mother Earth who did birth the son of the sun and the sacred daughter, and the sweet cool water that quench with thirst, and water we plant first before the devastation begin, this cold and merciless sin. And what happens when one of the last remaining rainforests in the western hemisphere? What happens when we can no longer see clear? Smoke clouds everywhere. What happens when all we have to compare is ashes to ashes and dust to dust? Because of the lust for power, destruction hour by hour. And who is left to suffer after the flames? The generation next suffer the pain, never knowing what it's like to live with the trees and relax with ease and feel the fresh breeze in the rainforest jungle of Belize. With poor children and grandchildren enslaved to the urban sprawl, and them crawl upon them hands and knees to please the colonial master and the deceptive pastor. Them say the grass green up on the other side in the concrete jungle where the true predators reside. And the elders them just sit and cry and watch time pass by, and them sigh in defeat but refuse to submit to it. And although them try to rip apart their ancestral heart, the sacred land of the oldest old man, still one mighty few will make it true. And so we plant the seed and we nurture and feed the basic need. Food, sunshine and tender loving care that will always be there so long as we align divine spirit conscious state of mind. And as we watch the burning flames on the tree top, we will not stop the spirit conscious revolution, the ancestral solution. And the ancestors them will not rest until we pass this test. We must break this hex, we the generation next, to carry on the baton, to inspire and rise higher and reconnect and resurrect divine spirit consciousness.
Divine spirit consciousness, children of the sun.
Children of the sun, we must resurrect the sacred garden culture from which we come.
We must resurrect. We must resurrect the sacred garden culture from which we come.
As divine children of the sun.